Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance in economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we delve into a significant development in the trustee services sector in Switzerland. LM-FIC Sàrl, a trustee firm based in Martigny, has launched an integrated service offering that combines accounting, taxation, and property management under one roof. This innovative approach aims to streamline administrative processes for businesses and individuals in the French-speaking region of Valais. Stay tuned as we explore the details of this new offering and its potential impact on the local economy. LM-FIC Sàrl, a trustee firm based in Martigny, has announced the rollout of an integrated service offering that brings accounting, taxation, and property management under one roof. Founded by Loïc Mauricio, the firm serves small and medium-sized enterprises, micro-enterprises, sole traders, and private individuals of French-speaking Valais who wish to entrust all of their administrative, tax, and asset-related obligations to a single point of contact. This approach responds to a reality observed in the field. Many Valais business owners and property holders juggle several providers: a trustee firm for the books, an agent for taxes, a management company for the building or condominium, at the cost of heavy coordination and scattered information. LM-FIC offers an alternative built on continuity of the client file and consistency of decision-making. At a glance, company LM-FIC Sàrl, founder Loïc Mauricio, bachelor's degree in business economics. Headquarters, Rue de la Syrie, 1, 1920, Martigny, Valais, Switzerland. Positioning: integrated trustee firm, accounting, taxation, and real estate combined. Areas of expertise: accounting, tax returns, value-added tax, payroll and social charges, business domiciliation, property management, condominium administration. Target clients: small and medium-sized enterprises, micro-enterprises, sole traders, company directors, entrepreneurs, and private individuals. Working language: French. Loïc Mauricio, dual expertise in trustee services and real estate. Loïc Mauricio's background directly explains LM-FIC's positioning. Holding a bachelor's degree in business economics, he spent several years at a Valais trustee firm where he handled accounting, year-end closings, tax returns, value-added tax statements, and payroll for a client base of small and medium-sized enterprises and sole traders. He then devoted 4 years to property management, condominium administration, rental management, service charge statements, and relations with owners and co-owners. It is from the meeting of these two disciplines, rarely combined within a single provider in Valais, that LM-FIC's offering emerged, handling a company's accounting and the management of its building with a unified understanding of the client's asset and tax situation. An offering built around 3 pillars: accounting and administration, bookkeeping, year-end closings, preparation of financial statements, payroll and social charge management, value-added tax statements, and business domiciliation. LM-FIC also supports new business founders in choosing a legal structure and setting up their accounting processes. Taxation and optimization. Tax returns for individuals and legal entities. Tax optimization advice in strict compliance with Valais cantonal and Swiss federal law. Assistance in the event of an audit and deadline planning. The stated priority is compliance first, optimization second. Real estate and condominiums, property management, administration of condominiums, service charge statements, rental oversight, and support for owners in declaring their real estate income and property values. This is an area where LM-FIC stands apart from most of the region's generalist trustee firms. An SME owner who also holds a building often ends up explaining the same situation 3 times to 3 different contacts. By combining accounting, taxation, and real estate, LM-FIC removes that friction. The client speaks once and decisions are made with a complete view of their file. Loïc Mauricio, founder of LM-FIC Sàrl, a human-scale trustee firm for the SMEs of French-speaking Valais. The Valais economy rests largely on micro-enterprises, small and medium-sized enterprises, and sole traders, shops, tradespeople, liberal professions, and businesses of just a few employees. These players share a common constraint: a growing administrative burden, tax, and social obligations to be met within strict deadlines, and rarely the internal resources to absorb them. LM-FIC champions a simple, authentic, and compliant approach: rigorous handling of legal obligations, direct communication with the client, and none of the bureaucratic weight typical of large firms. The client deals directly with the person responsible for their file without an intermediary. That closeness comes with a strict compliance requirement. LM-FIC anchors its tax optimization practice in full respect of Valais cantonal tax law and the Swiss federal legislation. Frequently asked questions: what services does a trustee firm in Martigny, such as LM-FIC, provide? LM-FIC covers bookkeeping, year-end closings, tax returns for individuals and businesses, value-added tax statements, payroll and social charge management, business domiciliation, as well as property management and condominium administration. Can a trustee firm also manage a property or a condominium? It is rare, but it is precisely LM-FIC's positioning. Drawing on 4 years of experience in property management, Lauric Maurissier handles rental management, condominium administration, and service charge statements in coherence with the accounting and tax treatment of the client's file. Who are LM-FIC's services intended for? Small and medium-sized enterprises and micro-enterprises, sole traders, company directors, and entrepreneurs, as well as private individuals wishing to entrust their tax return or the management of their real estate assets to a Valais professional. How does a first contact with LM-FIC unfold? The first exchange analyzes the client's situation, activity, current obligations, deadlines, any real estate holdings, in order to define a clear engagement scope and a quote matching actual needs. Is the tax optimization offered compliant with the law? Yes. LM-FIC practices tax optimization in strict compliance with Valais tax law and Swiss federal legislation. Compliance always takes precedence over optimization. Does LM-FIC operate beyond Martigny? LM-FIC is based in Martigny and works with clients throughout French-speaking Valais with a detailed knowledge of the cantonal tax framework. About LM-FIC Sàrl. LM-FIC Sàrl is a trustee firm based in Martigny, Valais, founded by Lauric Maurissier, holder of a bachelor's degree in business economics. It provides small and medium-sized enterprises, micro-enterprises, sole traders, and private individuals with comprehensive support in accounting, taxation, value-added tax, payroll, and business domiciliation, as well as property management and condominium administration. Its approach rests on simplicity, authenticity, efficiency, and strict respect for Swiss and Valais law.